Let's practice reading and altering a simple loop. Here's the problem. Part A, predict the output of this code. Part B, alter the loop so it sums 2I from I equals 1 to n instead of up to 4. Here's the code. Total starts at 0. Then for I from 1 to 4, we add 2 times I to the running total. Finally, we output total. Here's the code we're working with. It initializes total to 0, then loops I from 1 to 4, adding 2 times I to total each time, and finally outputs total. First, let's trace the loop to predict the output. When I equals 1, 2 times 1 is 2, so total becomes 0 plus 2 equals 2. When I equals 2, 2 times 2 is 4, total becomes 2 plus 4 equals 6. When I equals 3, 2 times 3 is 6, total becomes 6 plus 6 equals 12. When I equals 4, 2 times 4 is 8, total becomes 12 plus 8 equals 20. So the output is 20. Now for part B, we need to alter the loop so it sums 2I from I equals 1 to n, where n is input by the user. We replace the fixed bound 4 with a variable n and add an input statement to read n from the user. Here's the altered code. It inputs n, initializes total to 0, loops I from 1 to n, adding 2 times I each time, and outputs total. The key idea is that you can generalize a loop by replacing a fixed bound with a variable that is input by the user.